Please note, this is not financial advice, simply me on my margin and investing journey. Everything you see here, every trade, every number is my personal experience. Do your own research before making any investment decisions. What a week it was. Markets were on edge all week, and for good reason. The world was watching what was shaping up to be the largest IPO in history, SpaceX. $1,780 billion in valuation, priced at $135 a share. Add to that ongoing geopolitical noise, Iran tensions, Trump signals, and a market that couldn't decide which direction it wanted to go, and you had a week of pure volatility. The Nasdaq swung nearly 2% in a single session. The Dow dropped over 950 points one day and ripped back nearly 2% the next. For most investors, nerve-wracking. For a margin investor with a rules-based system, opportunity. The market handed us a gut punch this week, and I deployed $7,120. Not because I know where the bottom is, nobody does, but because my rules say when quality names go on sale, you buy, systematically, patiently, without panic. Welcome back to Leveraged Life. Let's walk through the week. 4 days of buying, 27 trades, $7,120 deployed. Every single trade, a top-up of an existing position. No new tickers, pure conviction in what I already own. The goal never changed. Distributions must cover the interest. The dip doesn't change that math. It just gives me more units for the same dollar. Here are the highlights. Total deployed, $7,120. 27 trades, 0 commissions. Biggest conviction of the week, CLSA, $1,000 total across 2 days. Biggest single buy, ZWP, $600, added to my European covered call exposure. And a dividend received midweek from BMAX, $4.63. Every dollar of distributions matters. A few trades worth calling out. CLSA, Brompton Split Corp. I added $1,000 across 2 separate days. High income, monthly distributions. I want to add this as part of more diversification. ZWP, BMO Europe High Dividend Covered Call, $600 in one shot. CMCC, Global X Commodity Producers Covered Call, $700 total across 2 days. CMCC was also new last week, already averaging down on it. Commodity exposure through a covered call structure. Broad diversification across gold, silver, uranium, oil, copper, and lithium with income on top. ZLU and ZLB, the BMO low volatility pair, 400 each. These are my foundations. Low vol, quarterly distributions, hold forever. The market drops, these hold. So where does this leave me? The portfolio is growing. The distribution income is growing. The interest rate remains the same as BOC decides to hold rates. But I am not done. The strategy is to get to $30,000 in margin deployed. We are not there yet. I am not chasing. I am waiting for the next meaningful sell-off to deploy the next tranche. Systematic, patient, rules-based. The full month 2 June recap drops at the beginning of July, with every distribution, every interest charge, the complete numbers. If you want to track your own margin account the same way I track mine, the monthly margin tracker and the ETF distribution calendar are both available at leveragelife.ca. Not financial advice, simply my journey in margin. See you next week. Follow along on Blossom, Instagram, links in the bio. Thanks for watching, I truly appreciate it.